Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can change the font size in Line Messenger app. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time now. Open up the Line Messenger app on your phone. As soon as you open it, what you need to do is click on Home, which you see on the bottom left-hand corner of your screen. Then you can see the gear icon or the settings icon on the top right-hand side. Click on it. Then scroll a bit down. After you scroll a bit down, you can find Chats under General. Go ahead and tap on Chats and you can find font sizes. So after you tap it, you can see 4 sizes are available: small, large, medium and extra large. So the change will happen according to you choosing the font size. So you can go ahead and choose the font size and the font size will be changed accordingly. So no changes will be shown now, but it will be shown on your chat box. You can go ahead and change this and you can find it. So you can go ahead and message someone, or you can even go to chats, go to keep memo, and you can see the font size being changed. So right now it has been changed to, I don't know what has been changed to. I'll just go ahead and check it out right now. So I'll just go to chats and you can see the font size is large. But if I go to extra large, I'll just go back to my memo and you can see the text size or the chat size has been changed and the font has been bigger and extra large has been applied. So guys, I hope this video about how you can change the font size in Line Messenger was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.